why do people have that belief that publishing quickly is the ultimate goal to what we're trying to do? So, how do you publish research quickly? You just don't care. You just throw it into any old journal. You can send it to, there's a lot of journals that are out there. A lot of them, you just simply have to Google how to publish a research paper quickly. And you just find a journal and you type in journal in your area. And you know what's going to pop up? It's going to be all these illegitimate journals that are going to allow you can pay to get into a lot of these journals. You just pay them $1,000. Maybe it's $2,000 to get into those journals. And they'll publish it like instantaneously. And so you can get your thing published. You can do all sorts of other things that will allow you to publish quickly. There's very well-known things that we know about. So, doing things like doing easier projects and easier research ideas, things that are maybe based on, and I'm not going to sort of put anything down, and please don't sort of think about this as put down, but things that, it's easy to collect data, and it's very simple to collect data. It's simple to come up with some sort of, idea of some sort that is just derivative of what other people have done. And all of those things will get you published very quickly, and they will allow you to do things. You just simply have to strongly mimic maybe another paper that's out there. You look at networks and you try to get some sort of research publishing network where you're all working together and everybody is sort of putting your name on their names on everybody else's papers. Now, that is not necessarily problematic because that is what science is about. But at the same time, that's how you publish quickly and you publish a lot. So there's all sorts of tricks that are out there to publish quickly. But I'm going to tell you this, and I'm going to ask you this right now. Why the hell are you worried about publishing quickly? If that is what the end goal is just to get another paper published, the end goal is to accumulate more stuff, accumulate more citations, accumulate more cars, or accumulate a bigger house, or whatever you're looking at, then that's not much of a life that you're actually living. If you're going to get external validation from some silly little thing that people can see, and they don't really understand that there's a lot more to this, to get original ideas, to do something that is good, that requires a substantial amount of work. If you can't see that, you're missing the whole point to what you're doing. And so we have to realize that the goal is not to publish quickly. It never is. The goal is to do good science, and it's hard to do. And so if you want to do something that people will read, people will actually respect what you're doing, then don't publish quickly. Do the hard work to do things where people will say, you know what? That person, she actually spent the time to work really hard on this thing. And that takes a lot of effort. And we recognize that effort. There is so much more behind the scenes to get to an idea that is clear, that everybody understands, that is published in a very good journal. It takes a lot of work. And it takes a lot of relentless work. And anybody that is doing good work understands what it actually takes to actually get there. And that's the respect that you want to earn, is from the people that are doing good work, because they see what it actually takes. So if you're thinking about publishing something fast, I'm going to try to get you to say no. Do something that people will read. Do something that people will respect you, of people that you actually care about. There is so much in this world where we can just hack things. I can find you a place that you can get published 5 times a year. No problems. It's not that hard to find that. But to find the place that you're going to earn respect from other people, which is what you are probably seeking, Simply slow it down and do a good job. Screw what other people are saying, that they're saying that you're not doing good enough work or whatever. Don't worry about that. Just do good work. Take the time to do it right, slow it down, work hard at it, and do it every day for a decade. Once you've actually tried to publish quickly and you got there, you're going to be looking around, you're going to be saying, well, shit, why did I do that?